What up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about CyberPunk 2077 2.0, how to mod it, how to get the best mods, the best mod manager, all the fun stuff, even make your V look dummy thick and really good. Start off with the graphics card CPU I'm running. Let's get into it. So today for this video, we're running a 3070 Ti running driver 545.48. Also, we're going to be pairing it with a Ryzen 9 7900. We will also have maybe show the FPS counter during gameplay. Let's see how it gets. Okay, so you may be wondering if modding Cyberpunk 2077 is even worth your time. Let me tell you right off the bat, it is definitely worth it, the effort, but I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do so. A couple of things that come with the being able to mod the game. For one, like your dash is greatly improved, way better for combat scenarios. I mean, it's so nice, so smooth. Second of all, NPCs look way cooler. You can get way better effects on your weapons. And yeah, let's see, look at that. Look at that NPC. Looking good. Look at that NPC. Way better. I mean, mods aren't just gonna make the gameplay better and the fighting, it's gonna make even your character V is gonna look 1,000 times better. You want your V looking like that? Like, you can get some really cool things you can do to your character. None of this outfit is released in original gameplay, especially that back. But, you know, the things you can do with mods nowadays, they're kind of worth it. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to show you the mod manager I recommend using and the best mods to get. Okay, so first thing first, to start your mod journey, you're going to want to come over to Nexus Mods, download Fluffy Mod Manager. Once you get this downloaded, you're going to extract it and then open it up. Once you get it open, you're going to come over here and click on the one that says Mod Manager. Once you have that opened, you're going to come over here to choose game, Cyberpunk 2077. As you can see, I have 50 mods into it. I will also probably do some videos on some of these other games in here. Comment down below which ones you would like me to see me mod. Also, like and subscribe. Let's get some more viewers, trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's do it. Okay, so once you have that, once you've done that in the mod manager, you're going to come over to games, Cyberpunk mods. This is where you're going to move all of your mods to be able to like activate the mod in game. So now that we have that, the first couple of mods you will need to get the game running as smoothly as possible. I will also try to link these down below in the description, or at least this page. You're going to want the Cyber Engine tweaks, Red Script, Red for X, and Archive XL, and Tweak XL. Getting these 5 main mods are going to be what lets you get to the rest of the mods. The next most important mod I would recommend getting is the Body Shape 2.0 mod. If you want your V looking curvaceous like a Coke bottle, this is going to be the mod for all of these mods. What you're going to do is, for a lot of the requirements you're going to already have downloaded, go to the requirements. This one has a couple like texture override and all those other ones. You're going to go through, download all those. A lot of these you're only going to have to download once because they may be required for other mods. Also, some of them are not 100% required. And so yeah, but like this one is the only one you really need for this mod. This is going to be the mod that makes your V look really, really good. Also, another mod I would recommend is the Push-Up Enhanced to make your outfits look really good on your V. Also, stock outfits are not going to work in game, so what you're going to need to do is to get a refit mod. In order to get a refit mod, first you're going to download a virtual attailer. This is going to be what gives you your stores and all that stuff. I'm going to probably post a video of what that would look like in game right after this. But yeah, you're going to download this. This we're going to be able to buy all your custom clothes, get a sick outfit like my V. And then you're going to want to download this. This is going to be the main one for all the people who make cosmetics. And then you're going to go to the specific cosmetic and find the person that makes your cosmetic. Also, I would recommend going to LXR Heist's page for a lot of good outfits that fit the new mod for your V. I mean, there are some really good ones. Also, if you want your Pan Am, and what's the other chick's name? Zoe or Z? I don't remember the name, but yeah, you can get Pan Am looking really good in this game. I would definitely recommend checking out those mods. Also, there's a couple other mods I would like to point out to you guys. The mod setting and the native setting UI are really good mods to have. So is the immersive first person view. I will maybe post a video of that coming up right after this, of what that would look like when you look down, you get a good view. Also, NPCs Gone Wild is one of the better ones I would definitely recommend that you should download. It's going to make the game really nice. Better vehicle handling gives you more of a race car-y game feel. I mean, yeah, that's the quick and easy for the mods. Once you get the mods downloaded, send them to the folder. Some of them you will have to extract, just extract it right in the folder. Once you have it extracted in the also, I'm adding this in after the fact because I forgot one major thing you're going to want to do. You're going to want to come over to your Steam, download the CyberPunk 2077 RedMod. This will make your game easily moddable. Go ahead, download that. Once you have that download, move that into your fluffy mod folder. Once you go and open up the game, you'll get this little gear icon, enable mods. This is what will enable mods in your game. Folder, come back over to your mod manager. In your mod manager, you will get these little icons. You flip them on and off for the mods you would like to activate. And yeah, once you get that, you just hit launch game. It'll take you into the game. And yeah, after this, maybe I'll post a couple minute clip of me playing the game. If you want to check that out, do so. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Peace.